Creamy, cheesy, delicious chicken enchiladas, except we're making them low-fat, super simple, and totally customizable for your family's taste. Welcome to Hungry AF. I'm Jen Fast, and I love to eat, but I'm also trying to feed a family, stay on budget, and stick to my high-protein, low-fat, and low-carb macros. Let's see what I can do with this classic comfort food dish. While your oven is preheating to 350, combine the following ingredients: 1/4 cup chopped onion, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 2½ cups diced cooked chicken breast, 4.5 ounce canned green chilies, 10.75 ounce can Healthy Request cream of chicken condensed soup, 1 2/3 cup non-fat plain yogurt, and 8 ounces shredded reduced fat Mexican cheese. Next, you'll need 8 tortillas. We use carb balance for the macros. Spread ½ a cup of the chicken mixture on each tortilla. Roll them up and place in your casserole dish. Spread any remaining chicken mixture over the enchiladas. Pour over 1 can of your favorite enchilada sauce. Cover with aluminum foil and bake at 350 for 20 to 30 minutes until hot and bubbling. Uncover and sprinkle evenly with finely shredded non-fat cheddar cheese. Start with ½ a cup, but measure with your heart. Sprinkle on 1/4 cup chopped green onion. Bake an additional 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. Look, there is zero reason to tell your family this is a low-fat recipe. Here are the macros for a serving size of 1 enchilada, and these taste even better the next day. You can also make the filling mixture ahead of time and refrigerate it for up to 24 hours in advance. Then roll the tortillas, finish assembling, and bake in the hour before dinner is served. With so many ways to customize the ingredients, I'd love to hear what you do with them. Head over to jfriedmanfast.com for the full recipe and instructions, and follow on all the socials. Until next time, stay hungry AF.